Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Welcome back to my nail channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a gel polish set from MelodySusie. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try their 8+1 gel polish kit, and of course I said yes. So this is their Nude Revolution 8+1 gel polish nail kit. And the 8+1 just stands for 8 colors plus 1 is the top coat. So it's really nice that this kit comes with a top coat. So the first thing that you see when you open this box is a surprise gift card. This just tells you how you can get 20% off of your next purchase. And underneath that, you're going to find the instructions. So this tells you how to prep your nails for your gel polish application, which is really important, as well as how to apply your gel polish. And on the back it has some tips and how to contact them for their customer service. So here are all of the gel polish colors, and I'm going to go ahead and take some out to show you. They are on the small side, they are 5 ml each, but this is perfectly fine if you're doing your own nails at home. Let's go ahead and take all of these gel polishes out. I did kind of sort them out based on the shade of the gel polish. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out on a little swatching wheel. I do have some colors on the other side, so don't mind that. The first one I'm starting out with is color 370. This is a pinky mauve type color. This is honestly one of my favorite colors to put on my nails as well as lipstick shades. Don't mind the little bump, that is from the swatch, not from the gel polish. These gel polishes all seem to have a really strong pigment, which is really nice. You don't need more than 2 coats to get a solid opacity, which is something that I look forward to in gel polishes. I personally don't want to have to add 5 or 6 different layers to get a good coverage for my nail color. 994 is a super light pink shade, which is super cute. The next color is 172. This color is really difficult to describe, but in person it doesn't quite look like it does on camera. On camera it does look kind of brownish reddish, but in person it does lean a little bit more towards the pink shades. The next color, 149, is kind of a peachy orange type of shade. I do really love how this gel polish kit has different shades of nudes. So it's not like all cool undertones or warm undertones. You do have the pink nudes and you do have the warmer tone nudes, which is nice. I do love all of the colors that come in this gel polish kit. The next color is 104, and this is kind of a yellowish shade of gel polish. And the next color, which is the last solid color gel polish, is number 129. This is a really difficult color for me to describe, sorry. It's kind of like a brownish grayish color, but it does have some similarities with the last gel polish that I swatched out. As difficult as it is for me to describe this color, I really like it. The next color is G141. This is a glitter gel polish. This one does have a lot of warm tones to the glitters. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of glitter gel polishes because they just look like toppers to me, which you can easily use these gel polishes as toppers, which would be a nice touch to your manicure. The next color is G301. This is a purple glitter gel polish, and I do like this one, but personally I don't feel like this gel polish really goes with the kit. It doesn't have a nude feel to it, but as I said, you can use this one as a topper for your gel polish manicure. And I'm not going to be applying the top coat to the swatches, but I will be applying it to my manicure. Here is that layer cured, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a second layer of all the gel polish colors, just so that you guys get a good idea of the opacity of these colors with 2 layers. So here are the colors after they are cured, and let's go ahead and get to the manicure. I'm going to be applying the Bella Vita jelly tips to my nails, and after I apply them, I will come back and we will start this manicure. I'm going to take the color 172 and apply this to my nails as the base color of my manicure. I'm applying this color to all of the nails except for my ring fingernail. As I said, these gel polishes have a beautiful pigment to them, so you don't need more than 2 layers to get a perfect opacity for your manicure. These gel polishes are very smooth and go on like butter. If you're looking for a good gel polish brand, I definitely recommend these gel polishes. If you're interested in purchasing this gel polish kit, I will link it down below in the description. So for the accent nail, I am taking the color 104. This is the yellowish shade of gel polish, and I'm going to apply this to the entire nail as well. I do really like how this color looks next to my skin tone, but because of the lightness of this color, it does show mistakes very easily. So after I apply this color to my nail, I'm going to take the Polygel brush dipped in some nail polish remover and just go ahead and clean up around the cuticle and sidewalls of all of my nails before I cure under the UV LED lamp. And I'm going to go ahead and apply a second layer to all of my nails. I do have to say, when I was applying the second layer of gel polish, I was being a little bit messy, but it's okay because at the end, before I cured this layer, I did go ahead and clean up around the cuticle and sidewalls just to make sure that my manicure looks as professional as I can get it. After the nails are cured, I'm going to do some nail art. So I'm taking the color 129 and I'm going to apply a little bit of this gel polish onto a piece of paper to easily pick up. I'm using my very fine nail art brush and I'm going to be creating some abstract swirl designs on my nail. I am doing these vertically going down my nail, and some parts of the line are thicker than other parts, just to give it a little bit more depth. And honestly, this is one of my favorite designs to do. It's great for beginners, and you can alternate the colors if you like to add more than one color. You can stack them side by side and just alternate the colors as you do this design. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same design on all of the other nails. I did skip over my ring fingernail because I am using a different color for the design on that one. I'm also alternating the design on all of the nails, so none of them are exactly the same. So for my ring fingernail, I'm using the color 370, and I'm going to be doing the same type of design, just in a different color. After the design is applied, I am going to do a full 1-minute cure under the UV LED lamp. I decided that my cuticles were looking a little bit bad, so I took my Bellavina portable e-file and my cuticle bit, and I just filed gently around my cuticle area to smooth it out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the dust from that step. Once all of the dust is removed, I'm going to apply the MelodySusie top coat to all of the nails. This is a glossy top coat. Some of their kits do come with the matte top coat as well, I believe. So if you're interested in something like that, definitely go and check out their website. This top coat is really good. I do like the consistency of it. It's also a super shiny top coat, which I have to say some top coats that I try are not this shiny, but I do really like the shininess of this top coat. So I'm going to apply a good layer to all of the nails and then cure for 1 minute under the UV LED lamp. After the nails are cured, I'm going to take my cuticle oil and apply this to all of my cuticles to rehydrate them and finish off my manicure. And here are the nails. I really like this manicure and I do love all of the colors in this kit. If you're looking for some good gel polishes, I highly recommend it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below of what you think. See you guys in the next video. Bye!